Well, it's a gorgeous day. It's outside, and obviously it's the 26th of August, which means only one thing, that it is the money fight tonight. And since it's so nice out, I thought it's time for some gin and tonics and some terrible bets. So obviously it's the money fight, so it'd be rude not to put a little bit of money on there. Although I think it's obviously the most likely outcome is that Floyd wins. I'm not an idiot. I just think that McGregor has a chance of winning. I do think that the most likely way that Floyd is probably going to win is going to be a 12 round decision. Obviously, with the gloves being smaller, I do think that that has affected that slightly. I think that there's actually a bigger chance now that maybe a doctor's going to come in and stop it, because the smaller gloves do mean that not necessarily he's going to have more knockout power, but there's going to be more of a chance of Floyd cutting him open. And obviously McGregor's got quite sharp features, he's very pale, so a cut is going to look really bad, and there's every chance that if he does, with the volume that Floyd is going to land on him, he's going to cut him open. And I think that that is, if Floyd is going to get the stoppage, I don't think it's a straight knockout. I think it's a doctor stoppage. That is currently 4-1, so obviously I'll put some money down on that. 7-4 for the decision either way, just for it to go the distance. And that's left me with a little bit of money. I've just kind of picked a few rounds. I think that McGregor's most likely going to get it done in rounds 1-4, so I'll put a few quid on each round there, between 22 and 27-1. And John Kavanagh, actually on Ariel Harness podcast last week, said that McGregor is either going to get it done in the first 60 seconds or in the sixth round. I'm not. I'm willing to take his word for it, so I've also covered the sixth round at 50-1. Those kind of odds, it's worth 3 quid, just to put it on. Very unlikely, because again, I think the most likely outcome is that Floyd outboxes him. But the beauty of this fight is that we don't really know what's going to happen, because Connor's not going to go in there and box the guy; he's going to fight him. And there's two guys; they've both got gloves on, and there's a chance that he could knock him out. I mean, Connor certainly believes he can do it, so why not? I'll throw out this prediction. I've also got a little bit of money on Floyd to go down in the 12th round, Connor to win 12th round. That one's like 80-1, and obviously we don't know how real that sparring footage is, but apparently Connor did pick up in the 11th and 12th round when he was sparring Paulie Malignaggi. Obviously, Paulie Malignaggi is not Floyd Mayweather, but it's worth a punt at 80-1, I think. But either way, it's they're all terrible bets. I'm probably going to be like 50 quid down or whatever I've bet on the fight by the end of the night. But it will make the fight interesting, and it's going to be fun to watch. I'm going to enjoy the hell out of it. I hope you do too. Peace.